it's very common to see clients come in here that have forgotten about 401ks and just never made the effort to get them back under their umbrella.
They also have no investment strategy. Most of those plans have a standard list of investments that people use. And there's nothing wrong with that, but there's something better, which is active manage. So we can create a strategy that is specifically targeted for you or for this person.
Today's episode is brought to you by Security Financial Management.
Well, welcome back. This is Best Advice Podcast, guys. I'm joined with us today with Sylvia Williams, Miss Certified Financial Planner here at SFM. Sylvia, thank you for joining us. We missed you over here.
Thank you for inviting us, Rob. It's so great to be with all of you. We have so many good things to share today from this week and the 26 years.
Sylvia is a great storyteller, so we always like to call her in to get some live storytelling examples on how we use these tools and these strategies in the financial field. So today we're talking about 401ks.
Yes, and very important at this time of the year. A lot of people are changing jobs. And my story has to do with a very young, nice, ambitious professional.
Yes. A lot of times it's usually the ones that have a lot of money that can really get hurt when they leave a job, and 401k and all those benefits.
That is so right. And that's what happened to this lady. She was moving up in her corporate career, and he was forgetting something very important. And what is that? Her 401k.
Money. That's money, baby. You can't forget about the money.
Big bank, small bank, I like to make money. All right.
All the 401ks were left behind.
Yeah.
Left behind. And with one phone call, Rob, one phone call was all what it takes.
Yeah.
We sat together. We called all of those 401ks. We put a nice pile of money together. But the most important thing was she didn't have to worry about doing the legwork. We did all for her. Our team took care of all the small details. Then we put her in a strategy that is making money. And all that pile of money together is working for her advantage, with her plan, for her future.
Yeah.
And that is something that she appreciates. And now she's on board. She's telling other people, hey, did you leave your job? Talk to Sylvia, talk to Rob. That's the way that you do it.
That's an interesting point you made, is like when you talk about like the power of compound interest, right? And how if you have one bucket over here making 5%, 10%, one bucket over here making 5%, 10%. But if they're put together and that bucket combines making 5-10%, it's a lot different than baby buckets making that interest. Am I right on that?
That's absolutely right. And that's what she did. And a lot of people don't have the opportunity to do that. They're too busy. They're concentrating on other things. And that's our role. Our role is to ask those questions so people will say, okay, I think I worked 10 years ago. I think I worked 5 years ago. I think I worked 1 year ago and I haven't done anything. I don't understand my benefits. And that's our job, to make sure that they know.
And you should have worked a couple places, right? Like
that's right.
Most people take, 4 or 5 different careers till they find the one that they like. I mean, it's very common. We see this a lot in our business, right? Like it's very common to see clients come in here that have forgotten about 3 or 4 401ks and just never made the effort to get them back under their umbrella.
That is. And you know what is important of that, Rob? They also have no investment strategy. Most of those plans have a standard list of investments that people use. And there's nothing wrong with that, but there's something better, which is active manage. So we can create a strategy that is specifically targeted for you or for this person. Whereas in the other plans, it's just standard. And you want to be special, don't you?
Heck yeah, I want to be special. I think I am special. Just ask my mom.
You are very special.
So let's kind of walk through this scenario. What in this particular case? How old was this client? What company? How did you guys get introduced? How did the dots connect here?
Yeah, well, that's a good question. She's now 35 and she started her career very young, right out of college, 21 years old, very ambitious. She likes data management. So she worked for a couple of companies, even for the state of Florida. And she had, before we met, through a common friend, she had all of those plans, behind. So one day she says, what do you think I do with this? And she had a pile of statements So we looked through those and I said, don't worry about it. Our team is going to help you do the hard work, which is the legwork. So we make the calls, we make sure that what was needed, which forms, if it was something on the telephone, it was something on the internet. So we had everything prepared for her. And when we were ready, because this is a busy person and she's also a mom, so we have to have the time and very consciously prepare. So with one phone call, we made that phone call. She was there with us on the line, and we were able to get all of that together in one account for her.
It's so important in today's age of everyone's, Mr. DIY, right? I read one article in Forbes and now all of a sudden I know how to invest. Or I read one article in Forbes, all of a sudden I'm going to reconstruct my property and become a contractor, right? In this world where that's such a common thing that we see over and over again, it's like, you're really going to guess on the most important thing in your life, your future, your finances, your money. This stuff becomes so meticulous and so many parts that moving parts, I should say, that it's constantly, I mean, I don't know how you would get any sleep if you're trying to do it by yourself.
You're
You have
absolutely
what, 30
right.
years in the business now?
Yes.
25 years?
Yes.
Like, it's taken a long time for you to get to a point where it's like it's second nature to you, right?
Exactly. And
It's
we
not
love
second
it.
nature to most
It's
people.
exactly.
So I encourage everyone to really get a certified financial planner working for you and not guess at these games.
That's a great thought, Rob.
This podcast is for entertainment and educational purposes only and is not intended as personal financial advice. Before making any financial decision, please do your own research and consult a financial advisor as needed.